Introduction. Transforming small front yards into beautiful outdoor statements. Welcome to a journey filled with inspiring ideas for turning even the smallest front yard into an inviting outdoor retreat. Today, we'll explore the latest landscaping trends that homeowners everywhere are embracing to maximize beauty, functionality, and curb appeal. Whether your home features a compact entrance or a narrow garden, thoughtful design choices can completely redefine the space. Let's discover how creativity, natural materials, and smart planning combine to create stunning front yard landscapes that feel welcoming throughout every season. First impressions matter. Designing an entrance that invites every guest. The front yard is often the first feature visitors notice, making it one of the most influential spaces around a home. A carefully designed entrance with layered greenery, charming pathways, and balanced proportions creates an inviting atmosphere before anyone reaches the front door. Today's landscaping trends emphasize simplicity, warmth, and timeless elegance rather than oversized decorative elements that can overwhelm smaller gardens. Defining the layout. Planning every inch with purpose. Before planting a single flower, successful landscaping begins with a thoughtful layout. Modern designers focus on organizing the available space into clear zones, ensuring every corner serves a purpose. Curved planting beds soften rigid property lines, while defined walkways naturally guide visitors through the garden. This careful planning creates an open feeling even in the smallest front yards, proving that good design is more important than square footage. Welcoming garden pathways. Creating flow with beautiful walkways. One of today's most popular landscaping trends is upgrading ordinary sidewalks into attractive garden paths. Natural stone, brick pavers, gravel, or textured concrete provide character while leading guests comfortably toward the entrance. Adding low-growing plants alongside the walkway softens hard edges, making the entire journey through the garden feel peaceful, balanced, and connected to nature. Layered planting designs. Building depth with different heights. Professional landscapers rarely rely on plants of identical size. Instead, they create visual depth by combining tall shrubs, medium flowering plants, ornamental grasses, and compact ground covers. This layered approach gives small gardens a lush appearance without feeling crowded. Carefully selected foliage textures and seasonal blooms ensure the landscape remains attractive throughout the year. Evergreen structure. Maintaining beauty through every season. Evergreen shrubs continue to dominate front yard landscaping because they provide structure long after seasonal flowers disappear. Compact varieties are especially suitable for smaller gardens, maintaining neat forms while requiring minimal maintenance. Combined with flowering perennials and ornamental grasses, evergreens create a reliable framework that keeps the garden looking fresh regardless of the season. Cozy wooden fences. Framing the garden with natural warmth. Modern front yard makeovers often include low wooden fences that define property boundaries without blocking views. Natural wood finishes blend beautifully with surrounding plants, creating a welcoming farmhouse-inspired atmosphere. Horizontal slats, picket fences, or rustic timber panels all add texture while helping the garden feel organized and intentionally designed. Statement garden gates. Turning a functional feature into a focal point. Garden gates have evolved from simple entrances into striking design features. Black steel frames paired with warm wood accents remain one of the strongest trends today. Decorative arches, climbing roses, jasmine vines, or flowering clematis transform gates into living works of art that immediately capture attention while providing an elegant transition into the garden. Mixing textures naturally. Combining stone, wood, and greenery. Beautiful landscapes rarely rely on a single material. Instead, today's designs celebrate the combination of rough stone, smooth timber, decorative gravel, and lush planting. These contrasting textures create visual richness while maintaining harmony with nature. Even a modest front yard can appear professionally designed when various natural materials work together seamlessly. Color harmony. Choosing plants with a unified palette. Instead of planting every colorful flower available, current landscaping trends favor carefully coordinated color schemes. White, lavender, soft pink, creamy yellow, and deep green combine to produce calming outdoor spaces. Repeating similar colors throughout the garden creates visual consistency, allowing each planting bed to connect naturally with the surrounding landscape. Compact trees with big impact. Adding vertical interest without overcrowding. Small ornamental trees provide height while preserving valuable garden space. Japanese maples, flowering dogwoods, dwarf magnolias, and ornamental cherries introduce seasonal beauty through blossoms, foliage, or striking bark. Positioned thoughtfully, these trees become natural focal points while casting gentle shade over pathways and planting beds. Outdoor lighting enhancements. Making the landscape shine after sunset. Lighting has become an essential element of front yard landscaping rather than an afterthought. Low-voltage pathway lights, warm uplighting beneath trees, and subtle accent lighting around planting beds extend the garden's beauty into the evening. Soft illumination improves safety while creating an elegant nighttime atmosphere that enhances curb appeal. Water-wise landscaping. Beautiful gardens with less maintenance. Sustainability continues shaping modern landscape design. Homeowners increasingly choose drought-tolerant plants, decorative gravel, mulch, and efficient irrigation systems that reduce water consumption. These environmentally friendly approaches produce landscapes requiring less maintenance while remaining attractive throughout changing weather conditions. Decorative borders. Giving every garden bed a finished look. Defined garden edges instantly elevate the appearance of any landscape. Steel edging, natural stone, brick, or timber borders separate planting beds from lawns with clean lines and professional precision. Besides improving appearance, these borders help simplify maintenance by preventing grass from spreading into flower beds. Comfortable seating areas. Creating small spaces for relaxation. Even compact front yards can include inviting seating areas. A simple wooden bench beneath a flowering tree or a pair of chairs surrounded by lush planting encourages homeowners to enjoy their outdoor surroundings. These intimate spaces transform front gardens from purely decorative landscapes into enjoyable extensions of the home. Seasonal interest. Designing a garden that changes beautifully. Exceptional gardens remain visually engaging throughout the year by incorporating plants with different blooming seasons, colorful foliage, berries, ornamental grasses, and attractive winter structures. This layered seasonal planning ensures the front yard always offers something new, rewarding homeowners with continuous beauty instead of short-lived displays. Decorative garden accessories. Using simple details to personalize the space. Today's landscaping trends favor understated accessories that complement rather than dominate the garden. Ceramic planters, rustic lanterns, bird baths, natural stone sculptures, or handcrafted garden signs add personality while maintaining a clean and cohesive design. Every decorative element should contribute to the overall atmosphere without creating visual clutter. Low-maintenance plant selection. Enjoying beauty without constant work. Busy homeowners increasingly prioritize plants that thrive with minimal care. Hardy perennials, compact shrubs, ornamental grasses, and disease-resistant varieties reduce pruning, watering, and replacement needs. Choosing resilient plants allows the landscape to remain attractive while requiring less time and effort throughout the growing season. Bringing everything together. Balancing beauty, function, and comfort. A successful front yard makeover is never about following a single trend. Instead, it combines thoughtful planning, harmonious planting, durable materials, practical pathways, and carefully selected focal points into one cohesive design. When every element supports the others, even the smallest garden feels spacious, welcoming, and full of character. Conclusion. Creating a front yard that inspires every day. Small gardens hold extraordinary potential when designed with creativity and purpose. By embracing today's landscaping trends, from layered planting and natural materials to elegant gates, cozy fences, sustainable gardening practices, and warm outdoor lighting, you can transform a modest front yard into a timeless outdoor sanctuary. Every thoughtful improvement adds lasting value, enhances curb appeal, and creates a beautiful first impression that welcomes family, friends, and neighbors alike. With patience and inspiration, your small front yard can become a remarkable landscape that feels larger, more inviting, and endlessly enjoyable throughout every season.